Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel World Digital Skilling Oneself. Today I'm going to drill you on an important skill, which is how to create and download your taxpayer's card. So what you have to do is you go to your web browser, you type import, take note of this domain name impos.cm, not .com, because if you type .com it will take you to a different website. For example, if I put impos.com, that's .com, it's going to bring you in a different website, and that will be far-fetched. So let it load, you'll see what I mean. So you see, so this is not where you need to work. So I said you have to type import like this. Import normally in English means tax.cm. Yes, CM stands for Cameroon, and you click on go. Wait for it to load. Yes, so this is the main page of the taxpayers website, where you have to create your taxpayers card, because now in the country you have to do all of this in order, if you have anything to do with banking, because most often now if you go to banks you have to present a taxpayer's document before you are being received, or if you had an account before, you will be called upon to bring a taxpayer's card. So for you to create one and download one for free without the help of anyone, so these are the various rubrics. We have immatriculation, we have annual declaration, we have tele declaration. So we are going to click on tele declaration. So this is the interface for you to create and download one. So you observe, they say je ne suis pas encore immatriculé, so it means you are not yet immatriculated. Now the second one here, retrouver mon NIU. Yes, so remember, you can as well translate this page, but we will move ahead with this. So you click on je ne suis pas encore immatriculé. You click on it, so this page loads. So if you look keenly, you see a radio button, je suis une personne physique, je suis une personne morale, société, organisme. So if you are a physical person, you check the first radio button. If you are a company, you check the second radio button, and at the end there's this checkbox here. You need to check it. Yes, je certifie avoir pris connaissance des dispositions légales ci-dessus. So it means that you are accepting that what you are going to key here is going to be correct, else you will be sanctioned. So you click on continue and continue. So this is where everything has to take place. Here, like on your ID card, we have nom and prenom. So at this level, you key in the name, and now after you have keyed in the name, you key in the prenom. Before I forget, you need to have scanned two main documents. That's your ID card. You need to have scanned your ID card back and forth, that's recto verso, and now as well scan your plan of localization where you live, because you have to upload them in this particular website. Are we together? So don't forget to do that. So let's ride on. After you have typed in your name, prenom, surname, your date of birth, you key in your date of birth, and now where you were born, the name of your mother, the surname of your mother, the name of your father as well, the surname of your father, your gender, if you're a male or a female, état civil, are you single, are you a divorcee, are you married, or are you a widow? So it depends, you choose for yourself. And now we have the régime fiscal. We have libératoire, simplifié, non professionnel salarié public, du secteur public and non salarié du secteur privé and non professionnel. That is for students. So you choose what belongs to you. And now at this level here, you type in the number of your identity card. Here, you type it here, and then here you click on choose file. You go and upload the front part of your identity card. And now at this level, you as well go and upload the back of your identity card. And at this level, you as well upload your plan of localization. Now you proceed to this next part where, okay, the country, you choose the country, Cameroon, or the town, ville, the quarter, your precise location, and the council, and where you live precisely as well. You put your address, and this other one, numéro abonnement, it's not really quite important. You can skip and you put your email address. You put your email address at this level, your email address, your telephone number, it's obligatory. And now you check this bottle to certify that the information that you have keyed in here are correct, else you will be sanctioned. Now you come and put your password as well, and you confirm the password. So you must make sure that you have keyed in this information so well. So I just want to well inform you that don't miss this special promotion brought to you by World Digital, especially with back to school. This an HP Pro book of 7th generation touchscreen with very high capacity with 4 processing unit, good hard disk drive in XD nature with 2 USB ports, 1 HDMI port, with good characteristics for you to run all your programs on, with powerful operating system installed on it, Windows 11 Pro, with all the applications installed, and we give it to you with its original charger. So this is an opportunity for you not to miss out, and we parcel it and we ship it to you wherever you are. Just hit us at +237 675 88018. World Digital. If you have any difficulty as well to download your taxpayer's card, or to reset your account, or to download a taxpayer's card after you have created, don't hesitate to reach me as well. I'm going to help you for a small motivation. So thank you. So at this level, when you have keyed in all this information, you make sure that you have scanned your identity card back and forth, your plan of localization, you upload them, you enter this information, and now you click here, envoyer. So when you click on envoyer, you have a possibility to download your form. Make sure that you photocopy it and keep it well, else you will have difficulties in re-downloading it, because now if you have to re-download it, it's not free. You have to make some payments, and which seems a little bit complicated with the website, because the website now is so saturated. I encourage you to like, keep a comment, and share to others as well, so that others can get this tutorial and create theirs for free. Thank you. This is your guy, World Digital.